स्वागत है आपका शॉर्टहैंडियंस डॉट इट चैनल पर। वीडियोस अगर पसंद आ जाएं तो लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिएगा। लेटेस्ट डिक्टेशन और जॉब नोटिफिकेशंस को पाने के लिए बेल आइकन प्रेस कर दीजिएगा ताकि आपको टाइम पे आपकी डिक्टेशंस मिल सकें। थैंक यू सो मच।
Start. The surveyor estimated the loss at rupees 4,600 without prejudice to the terms and conditions of the policy full stop. After some correspondence, the appellant insurance company repudiated the claim under the terms of the policy full stop. Thereupon, respondent number 1 wrote to the insurance company that since it had repudiated the claim, a difference had arisen between the parties and appointed a sole arbitrator to decide the dispute. Full stop. At the same time, it mentioned that if the insurance company desired to nominate an arbitrator, it may do so. Full stop. The insurance company, however, took the stand that since it had repudiated the claim, the arbitration clause in the policy was rendered inoperative and no arbitration proceedings could legally be initiated. Full stop. This led to the respondent number 1 filing an application under section 20 of the Arbitration Act. Full stop. The application was contested, and since the trial court held that on the repudiation of the claim under clause 13 the dispute fell within the scope of the arbitration clause 18 but was barred by limitation in view of clause 19. Full stop. Para. The High Court therefore reversed the trial court order and remanded the case for appointment of arbitrators. Full stop. The insurance company carried the matter to this court. Full stop. While dealing with the submissions at the bar, this court in paragraph 8 of the judgment observed that only one point need to be decided, namely whether in view of the repudiation of the liability under clause 13, a dispute was raised which could be referred to arbitration. Full stop. It also said that incidentally reference will be made to the other question as to whether the proceedings were barred by clause 19 of the policy. Full stop. This court answered the first point in the negative and hence no decision was necessary on the second point, but the court answered it only incidentally. Full stop. This is also clear from the observation extracted earlier. Full stop. From the case law referred to above, the legal position that emerges is that an agreement which seeks to curtail the period of limitation and prescribes it shorter period than that prescribed by law would be void as offending section 28 of the Contract Act. Full stop. That is because such an agreement would seek to restrict the party from enforcing his right in court after the period prescribed under the agreement expires, even though the period prescribed by law for the enforcement of his right has yet not expired. Full stop. Para. But there could be agreements which do not seek to curtail the time for enforcement of the right, but which provides for the forfeiture or waiver of the right itself if no action is commenced within the period stipulated by the agreement. Full stop. Such a clause in the agreement would not fall within the mischief of section 28 of the Contract Act. Full stop. To put it differently, curtailment of the period of limitation is not permissible in view of section 28, but extinction of the right itself unless exercised within a specified time is permissible and can be enforced. Full stop. If the policy of insurance provides that if a claim is made and rejected and no action is commenced within time stated in the policy, the benefits flowing from the policy shall stand extinguished and any subsequent action would be time barred. Full stop. Such a clause would fall outside the scope of section 28 of the Contract Act full stop over। तो फ्रेंड्स ये आपका कैलकाटा हाई कोर्ट के लिए 120 की स्पीड का डिक्टेशन हो गया है, ठीक है। इसमें कोई नाम वगैरह कुछ ऐसा नहीं आया जिसकी आउटलाइन आपको बतानी पड़े, क्योंकि 120 में जो लिख रहे हैं वो जाहिर सी बात है एक्सपर्ट मोड में रहते हैं, ठीक है। आउटलाइन मान लीजिए हम बताएंगे भी तो लगेगा कि ज़्यादा बन रहा है, ठीक है। तो इसमें कुछ नहीं बताएंगे, लेकिन अगर आपको किसी को भी कोई दिक्कत है तो कमेंट करके आप आउटलाइन बता दीजिए। हम नेक्स्ट वीडियो में या फिर कमेंट करके ही उस आउटलाइन को सॉल्व करने की पूरी कोशिश करेंगे कि आपको बता के समझ में आए। बता के तो समझ में आ ही जाएगा, लेकिन मैसेजिंग से लिख के समझ में आएगा कि नहीं आएगा, ये हम पूरी कोशिश करेंगे कि आ जाए, ठीक है। कोई आउटलाइन में दिक्कत हो तो आप कमेंट कर सकते हैं। थैंक यू सो मच। मिलेंगे अगली डिक्टेशन में, और चैनल को लाइक शेयर और सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिएगा। बाय बाय।